Hello friends, in continuation to my previous tutorial on how to draw a face, I have made this second tutorial on how to draw a face profile. I hope you have already watched the previous video, and if you haven't, then I would recommend you to watch that video. Like the previous tutorial, I am using Loomis method in this tutorial as well. Friends, if you are new to this channel and want to watch more art videos and tutorials, then don't forget to subscribe this channel. So without any further ado, let's start the video. To make a profile face, first of all, we start by drawing a circle. You don't have to draw accurate circle, but try to be as precise as possible. Use the pencil very lightly. Now, divide the circle into 4 parts with 2 lines intersecting at the center. Now, draw a square inside the circle. This square gives us the guidelines for hairline, brow line and the nose line. The top line of the square will become the hairline, the middle line will become the brow line and the bottom line will become the nose line. Next, we will mark the location of the bottom of the chin. We can measure the distance from the center of the square to the bottom and use this measurement to mark the bottom of the chin. Now we will draw the front edge of the face. Bring a curved line down from the brow line to the bottom of the chin. Next, we will draw a line from the bottom of the chin to the center point of the bottom of the square. This line represents the jawline. This line will curve slightly in most cases. Now we will determine the location of the eyes. We will do this by measuring the center of the head and place a line to represent the eye line. This line should be drawn just underneath the brow line. Now as we have the brow line, eye line and the nose line, let's quickly draw these. We will also add a bit of shading to make the face have a sense of form. Now we will draw the lips. For this, divide the portion from bottom line of the square to the chin into 3 equal parts with horizontal lines. 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. Now let's quickly draw the lips and the chin portion as well. Now we will locate the ear. We can use our center line and nose line to draw the ear on the side of the face. The height of the ear is generally equal to the distance between the eyebrows and bottom of the nose. Now we will draw the hair to finish this face. Friends, Loomis method helps to get the guidelines for a basic face. But it is not necessary that every time you draw these guidelines, you can draw the face that you want. Sometimes you have to do some adjustments to get the looks that you desire. I hope you got to learn something from this tutorial. I will continue doing this series of tutorials for drawing faces. And in the next tutorial, I will show you how to draw faces from different angles. So dear friends, don't forget to subscribe and share this channel to watch more art videos and tutorials. Thank you. See you in the next video.